2. Woo. It's lunchtime. During first block pit, we just did subsectionals because we got like a rough draft of the opener. So
Battery just went to sectionals and learned some of the book. It's pretty good. I like it. And Colleen's not here. Coming later.
say hi, Drayden.
Hi, Drayden. There is.
Colleen's here.
I came. Oh my God, Christian, why do you need to stretch? You're wasting. Ah! Grant is the champion again. You never know.
Oh, I know.
Never try. Just one little thing.
Oh, this is
stops me every time. Yeah. Come on! I don't dance. I know you can. Not a chance. Oh, I can do this or you can do that, but I don't dance. Get it out of the park. I got to move on and be who I am. I just don't belong here. I hope you understand. We might find our place in this world someday, but at least for now, I gotta go my own way. Yes, girl, yes! Yes! Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah, na no. You are the music in me.
Andrew, lift up your shirt.
Oh.
My art is just so powerful, it hits people.
It's a real hard.
Hi.
Oh my God, I look so bad. He needs music.
Oh my God, Jessica.
Yes!
Oh, don't
like
do
big
it.
gallons of like goldfish that they sell. Just throw a whole fucking box in them.
Oh, do my mom wrote.
We do not look alike.
We do not look alike. They're like drunk or something.
He looks like a moving corpse.
Zoom in on it.
I know it's hot.
Look at that line.
Ugh. Are you vlogging right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi, Dylan.
Show Dylan.
Oh.
Say
Why
hi,
are you
Dylan,
sad?
to the vlog.
So
dizzy.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait, what?
That was the worst hit I have ever seen.
Oh!
David!
I love it! Perfect getting saying goodbye to Franklin. He's so cute.
I'll find his family.
Be free. What the hell is that? Ah!
It's so gross. It's like a scorpion spider.
Yeah, what the hell?
Provide by the common defense. Promote general welfare. Human blesses liberty for self-posterity. Liberty to establish this Constitution for the United States of America. So today, I did Obamacare. It was great. Then it fails. I'm very disappointed. I can't wait until I'm done with my second term, and then Hillary Clinton will replace me. That'll be great.
Yeah, you told me.
Jonathan!
Yeah.
Right now? No, later on. Justin Ross is back.
Justin Ball.
Get off my
We're watching Drum Corps and we just watched Blue Nights.
Oh my God! It gave me chills.
Hit me one time. Hit me two times. Hit me three times. Let's go.
Hi vlog.
Where's Legend? Are we gonna rap?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, so we just finished our parent performance.
It was my last parent performance.
And he won the drill down?
Yay!
And the red team won the games?
Yes.
As usual. And Yeah, it's been a good band camp.
It was my last band
got
camp.
so much darker.
And it was
Look
so
at this. Look at this.
memorable.
Yeah. I'm sad now. It's like school.
My last band camp with Camie. Oh my god, did you show them my tan?
Oh yeah, look hard work at its finest. Look at that tan.